written to me and Teresa Van Loshout, the director of the West Oz Party, should I say, the leader. Basically, have written letters to Bentley Hospital, the Commissioner of Police, Chief Justice, Supreme Court WA, and Corruption and Crime Commission. And basically, we've done a public interest disclosure, basically protecting myself as a whistleblower on making comments about people involved in the corruption that's entrenched around me. And basically, we're moving further with court action now to proceed against Bentley Hospital if they do not stop drugging me. Basically, we believe that my health, and which is very much suffering from the medication that I've been given by the hospital, and basically I'm not participating in life anymore, and bedridden, and basically the days just pass, etc., etc., and it's not any life that any West Australian would like to be living at the moment, and especially when it's been restricted by the government. And basically, we're going to show in the lawsuit against Mr. Johnson in the writ in the district court coming up. Basically, Mr. Johnson was submitted summons a writ on the December the 11th, and we're giving him 10 days to file a petition where he's going to object to the claims, or basically non-disclosure, where I would go face the judge myself and face these issues with the house, and Mr. Johnson not supporting the mortgage at all, etc., and total disregard for the laws of a mortgage and the principles of what a mortgage should stand for, which has led to all this corruption and blossoming of corruption in the police force and Bentley Hospital. Now, really looking forward to this part. Basically, I know that I've got strong story and lots of evidence to prove my case against the hospital. And the things that have happened to me, like, this isn't meant to be a hospital. It's not Auschwitz, and I feel like I'm in the Holocaust. The way I've been treated by this hospital and the members of staff, and particularly the psychiatrists, not so much the staff and the mental health, the nurses in it, they've been great, and some have been mystified with my being hospitalised in the hospital, and some allowed me to produce evidence where they believed me, and bring in more evidence when I was detained. Now, these lawsuits, basically, if the government's going to persist on torturing me, basically these lawsuits now are going to start where the government needs to support their actions with defence in the district court and maybe the Supreme Court as well. And we're going to sue for compensation against the West Australian government, Bentley Hospital, police force, etc., etc., and seek compensation for these economic damages that I've suffered due to the mistreatment by government workers, etc. We also have interest in the media. I'm not going to disclose any of that, but basically people are starting to believe my stories, and hopefully we can get a story publicised about me and my plight and fight for justice. Really interesting, good times ahead as far as the fight for justice is concerned, and we really take it to a new era. And basically, these people that have fought me with their injustices now got to become accountable and come into the court of law, and under transcript tell their tales and their misadventures and corruption that they've systematically colluded with, conspiracy with lawyers and doctors, etc., and to defeat my plight for justice and win over my property in 107 Burke Street. Thank you very much, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and be safe out on the roads there, and all the best to you and your family for 2013. Thank you.